Hey everyone, today we're going to tell you what we're looking forward to the most on NCL Escape. Come check it out. Hey everyone, John here from Bite Size Cruises. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time coming to check us out, thank you so much. We're a small travel agency. We specialize in cruise travel. Our goal here is to give you all the great information on cruising so you can plan and go on an amazing cruise vacation. We'd love for you to subscribe. We put out a brand new video every single day about cruising. So come along and join us. Today, we're going to tell you what we're looking forward to on NCL Escape. We are going on Escape October 15th, right there. October 15th, which is just a couple days away. So the things that we're looking forward to the most. We were on NCL Escape in December of 2021. It was our first cruise post-pandemic, and it's really kind of the ship that launched us into doing these YouTube videos and all this other stuff. So we had an amazing time, but the ship was half full. So I've kind of metered my expectations to what I think is going to happen this time. I know it's going to be crowded. I know it's going to feel more crowded. We were just on Joy a few months ago, and the only issues I had with Joy were it was very crowded and the internet was terrible. So I know I'm going to have those two little things there. So a couple of things that I think are going to help me mitigate those issues on this sailing. I know what parts of the ships are going to be crowded, so I'm going to avoid those parts during the times when I know they're going to be crowded. There are a few more things to do on Escape than there are on Joy, and the ship configuration's a little bit different, so that's great. So here's what I'm really looking forward to. 1, Choir of Man. We saw it last time. I love it. It's my favorite show ever that I've seen on a cruise ship. It's so much fun. There's crowd interaction. I'd imagine there's going to be more crowd interaction because things were still a little bit stunted because of COVID back then. Now things have opened up a little bit. I think it's going to be even more fun. So I'm super looking forward to that. 2, specialty dining. No one does the amount of specialty dining as well as Norwegian does. There are so many specialty dining offerings. I know not everybody likes that and not everybody wants to spend additional money on their cruise vacation, but I really enjoy those splurge dinners. I pay for them ahead of time. So to me, it's kind of like they're included in my cruise fare. I factor that in when I'm booking the cruise, and I kind of have my total for what I think I'm going to spend. And as long as that aligns with what I think I would spend on Royal Caribbean or Carnival or anywhere else, I'm fine with it. The fact that you can get the drink package thrown in on NCL for almost a song and the dance, and you're basically paying for tips on that, I enjoy that. I don't drink a lot, but it's nice to not think about it. So those two things I'm very excited about. The next thing I'm really excited about is dueling pianos. Love the dueling pianos. Such a great time at night. That's something that keeps me up, and I love going in there late in the evening and checking that out. It's just a lot of fun. If you've never done dueling pianos, you got to go. It's so much fun. They play songs. They play off of each other. There's usually 2 pianists. You could tip them to play a song. You could tip them to stop playing a song, which is even more fun. So those things are really exciting to me. I love the waterfront on Norwegian. I love Spice H2O on this ship. It's big. They have the grotto there. We are going to Canada and New England. We don't have a lot of sea days. We only have 1 sea day. So I think that will help with the crowds on the ship as well. And then I'm just excited for all the ports that we're going to. We're going to Newport, Rhode Island. We're going to Portland, Maine, Bar Harbor, St. John, and Halifax, all in one 7-day trip. So those are the things I am most looking forward to on NCL Escape. Have you been on Escape? What are your favorite things on that ship? Let us know in the comments below. Again, we really appreciate you watching our videos. Thanks so much, and we will see everybody tomorrow. Bye.